Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 350B auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we got to replace this front squeegee blade right here. Pretty simple. Pull it down, and there are two latches that you have to press in and then pull up on the metal frame. Just like that. That comes off. Take your blade, pop it off. Just like that. Reverse the steps. Get your new blade, line up the holes in the notches. Now we can reinstall your metal plate. Push it down, hold it down. Just like that, till you hear the tabs click. Give it a good tug, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.